Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Learn with me alphabet with teacher. A for apple. Say A for apple. All kids speak with me. B for banana. Say B for banana. C for cheese. Say C for cheese. D for dolphin. Say D for dolphin. E for elephant. Say E for elephant. F for fish. Say F for fish. Z for girl. Say Z for girl. H for horse. Say H for horse. I for ice cream. Say I for ice cream and H. J for joker. Say J for joker. K for kangaroo. Say K for kangaroo. L for lemon and L for lion. M for map. Say M for map. N for notebook. Say N for notebook. O for octopus. Say O for octopus. P for peacock. Say P for peacock. Q for question. Say Q for question. R for rose. Say R for rose. S for sun. Say S for sun. T for train. Say T for train. U for umbrella. Say U for umbrella. V for vase. Say V for, tell me V for vase. W for whale. Say W for whale. X for X-ray. Say X for X-ray. Y for yak. Say Y for yak. Z for zebra. Say Z for zebra.